Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Everything Technical. This is Deepak. So with the help of this video, in this video basically we will see how we can copy this configured running instance from one AWS account to another AWS account. So before I started, I want you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my channel Everything Technical. Please do subscribe and also please press the bell icon to get the new video notification. And if you have any query, any suggestion related to the video, so please do comment below the video. So let's start with the video. So here I have this account in the name of Deepak, and I just want whatever instance this is running, like Jenkins in the name of, I have just given the name as a Jenkins. So whatever running in this instance, whatever I have configured, whatever tools, whatever application I have configured under this application, I just want the same as it is in my another account. So for example, this is my another account. I just want to create launch a same instance over here. So without doing anything, like I just don't want to configure, I just don't want to install anything else after creating or launching an instance. So this will reduce your time, basically this will reduce your time. So in future, like if it is running, if some application is running under any instance, you just don't want to configure again from the scratch. So just go ahead and do like follow these steps and watch till end this video to get the overall all ideas about all about how we can do all this configuration and how we can launch an instance. So basically I just want this instance under this account. So the steps will be, first you just first of all you just create the snapshot, either AMIs of this instance. So I have already created a snapshot of this instance. So here I have the snapshot of that particular instance. So here I am already having a snapshot. So if you don't know how to create a snapshot and AMI, so please watch my previous video. Just go into the video section and just check the video in the name of create a instance, create a snapshot and the AMIs. So watch that video, you will get an idea how we can create the snapshot and AMIs. So I have this snapshot. So what we have to do, just we have to give some permission to just basically we are just sharing that snapshot with the one account to another account. So what we have to require, we want the uh, like account ID from this users, like Avina's account ID, Avina's Mittal's account ID I want. So here I have account ID, so I'll copy this and I'll go ahead and into the Jenkins snapshot, just click the select that snapshot and go into the action. We have option modify permission, and also you can go in here after the description, just click on permission. Here we have the same options here. So from here you can also go ahead and edit this, and either you can just go here to modify permission. After modifying permission, we are having option there. This snapshot is currently public or private. If you'll do the public, so that means anyone can access that particular snapshot. And if you have private, so on that time just put the account number to give the access to that particular account. So I have given the access of this particular account here. So I'll just go ahead and save this. So I have saved this particular like I have given the access, like I have shared this tab with that particular account, Avina's account. So I'll go into the Avina's account. So here I am in Avina's account. I'll just go into the snapshot. So here I am in snapshot. So I'll just go ahead to check into on by me, either into the private snapshot. So here I'm not able to see that particular shared snap. So what could be a reason? The reason behind it, I have shared that this snap under this reason. This is the N Virginia. So I'll have to check in the same reason, because this is the Mumbai reason. So I just go ahead and I'll just change this reason as a N Virginia. After clicking on N Virginia, just go into the snap. So yeah, I'm in already in snap. So I can see here I have this access of that particular snap, which is here. So here I got this snap over in this account as well. So what we have to do after this, I'll have to just convert this into the image, create as an image of this snap. And after creating an image, we can launch an instance. So I have already created a video how we can launch an instance from the snapshot and AMIs. So just watch that video how we can launch an instance. So after launching the instance from this snap or AMIs, after creating AMIs, so you can easily you can be able to launch an instance with the same configuration what configuration is done over this instance. So the same configuration you will get in this also. So this is the video how we can create how we can share our snap one account to another account. So this is the video. If you like, please do like, and also please comment below the video, and share with your friends who having requirement this kind of information. So share with them, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.